Welcome back. You're watching All About Stocks on ET now. Thank you for staying with us. Adenwala is with us as well. It's time for us to answer some of the questions you sent in during the week. We start with our stamp of approval segment. Parveen has written in, can I buy Infosys at the current level? That's the question. Infosys, of course, we know had a rough couple of days at the end of this week. Ended the week at 22.21. Paras, what's your call on Infosys right now? A lot of analysts saying that TCS is a better bet. Do you agree?
My sense is one may not see too much of appreciation in Infosys from the current levels. But at the same time, I think the downside is very limited. I think the stock at the most should make a correct by another 10 to 15%, not more than that. But the valuations will start looking very attractive. And let's not forget that it is one of the largest quality IT companies in the country. So anything, if the stock does correct, at 10 to 15% from the current levels, it would definitely be a good buy.
All right, Praveen. So not at these levels, it's not a good buy, but wait for it to correct, like Paras was telling us, and then it would make more sense. On our Facebook page, Sri Satya has written in, can I buy M&M and MRF at current prices with a time horizon of 3 years? M&M ended the week at 717. And what's your call on M&M? I'll take that one first, Paras.
M&M is an excellent play on the SUV story as well as the tractor story. It has a very robust market share in both these segments in the country, especially in the tractor segment where there is hardly any competition for the company. So I think from these two segments perspective, I think the potential for future is robust. But having said that, M&M is also gradually transforming itself into a holding company. But the core business continues to be very strong. And therefore, with a 3-year perspective, I would definitely buy into M&M at the current levels.
What about your call on MRF?
MRF, again, it's an excellent company. Over the years, the company has kept on performing, has been very, very focused, has never gone into an unrelated diversification. The balance sheet continues to be reasonably robust and has a very strong brand equity. And with a 3-year perspective, again, MRF is definitely a buy at the current levels.
We have a question that's coming from Sudhakar, who has Unitech, which he bought at 38 rupees. He wants to know how long he's going to have to hold on in order to recover his investments. What's your call? Do you think it's going to be able to recover 38 at any time soon?
The management has realized that its foray into telecom was perhaps unnecessary, and therefore are trying to take remedial measures to ensure that they get out of the telecom business and focus only on real estate. So over a 3-year period, again, I certainly see Unitech doing significantly better than what it is doing right now. But the period of correction, which started about a couple of years back, I think perhaps will continue for some more time. And with a longer-term perspective, absolutely no problem. I think Unitech will deliver.
Unfortunately, we've run out of time on this show. Paras, thank you so much for spending time with us this week. Remember, you can send in your questions to the email ID at the bottom of your screen, or you can reach us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/allaboutstocks. Thanks for watching.